You can now transform your body and your life in the next 7 weeks, starting for free.
Wow!
But you still might be asking,
how in the world am I supposed to get in shape when I am completely unfit and inactive, don't have any spare time whatsoever, have aches and pains and injuries, cringe at the notion of even walking into a gym, am dealing with a bunch of medical issues, have already tried dozens of other programs and diets, don't want to do any strenuous boot camp type exercises, and to be completely honest, would much rather spend my time pigging out than working out? Doug, is what you do really any different? Do you have anything that would work for someone like me? Phew, that's a lot to ask. Okay, if this sounds familiar, then you're in luck. The Super 7-Week Shape-Up System is perfect for you. You're perfect for it. I love working with people just like you. In fact, I'm just like you. For decades, my entire focus has been fitness for the rest of us. Regardless of your situation, including whatever you do right now and have done in the past, I'm going to give you a healthy dose of hope. We both know that you want to live a long and healthy life, right? You need more energy, flexibility, vitality, and endurance. You want to feel better about yourself and your body. You want to have stamina for daily living and strength for adventure. You want to feel toned, lean, powerful, and fit. Above all else, you need to be your best you for yourself, your family, and your friends. Yes, I realize that you have countless questions about fitness and fat loss. You've always had concerns about what's factual versus fallacy. More than anything, you need a simple and straightforward solution to your current situation, and unfortunately, you often don't know what to believe because you don't know whom to believe. You need to have confidence in your source, namely me. Yes, on paper, I'm known as an exercise physiologist, but what I do is different. What I know is different. And you'll absolutely love the results that you get from doing things differently for a change. I do realize that the fitness and fat loss market is crowded. It's packed. It can be quite overwhelming, even to me. At every turn, there's a product, pill, powder, potion, promotion, or promise of something better. Unfortunately, the latest and greatest fix is still broken. It just doesn't work. The good news is your decision to not become a statistic. And the best news is that you've already determined to start today, tomorrow, this weekend, next week. Starting over is always the best place to begin. And in only 7 days, and then 7 weeks, 1 week at a time, 1 day at a time, you're going to know exactly how to do as little as possible to get the best results. Long-term, permanent, and sustainable results. And I think that you'll be extremely encouraged by the fact that what we'll be doing is different from what you have ever done before. It's smarter, it's simpler, it's speedier, and it's safer. In your heart of hearts, you know that you've already made the decision to make this time different, haven't you? You have a good feeling about this. You have a good feeling about yourself. You even have a good feeling about me. It's going to take some time, it's going to take a little effort, and a little self-discipline, as I speak to myself too, but it's going to be fun, and you're going to love the results and the process. This upcoming Sunday, day 1 of week 1, is going to be the start of your new program. It's the beginning of the new you. This Sunday is the first day of the rest of your life, and I'm super excited for you to get started. There is a lot of information in this course. You are definitely going to get your money's worth. And as you absorb one section at a time, 1 day at a time, and 1 week at a time, you will learn exactly what to do and do exactly what you learn to get in shape and stay in shape, period. The exercises are simple and speedy, but they're also super smart and super safe. So it's important to carve out a little time each day to concentrate. But I promise to try to have some fun as we cover the precise details step by step for how to eat and how to exercise each and every day of the week. As I said, the Super 7-Week Shape-Up System is designed to be super simple. Trust me, you're going to love it. At times, it's going to seem like you're hardly doing anything, but remember, you're going to be working out the way your body works. The simplicity is definitely supported by some serious science. And in order to guarantee that such little exercise still achieves spectacular results, there is one gigantic stipulation. You need to follow my instructions to the letter. A low quantity of exercise must be of the highest quality. Speaking of high quality exercise and supporting the simple solutions with the scientific secrets, this is the why behind the how. It's the scientific study of strength, stamina, stretching, and sustenance. It's basically the super duper smart side of the equation, supporting the super simple, speedy, and safe solutions. So, if you are curious about why you are doing what you are doing and want to understand why you are becoming so incredibly healthy and fit by doing almost no exercise and eating lots of food, you can be assured that you'll soon know all of the scientific secrets. I want you to have confidence in yourself, your program, and your newfound friend in fitness, namely me. If you ever have any questions, comments, or concerns, please reach out to us at super7system.com. In health and with hope, aloha and mahalo.